Alright. Hi guys, we're gonna make some milkshakes with these country balls. Because why not? Oh, I forgot to shop some smaller country balls, so I'll come here in 30 minutes. 30 minutes later. Okay, so I shop some other country balls. Now you need to put these three. No, I broke. Now you need to remove the tape. Oh, there's some water. This is the tester. Yeah. Then you need to put these three country balls. Then you need to put the. Oh wait, no. Then you need to. Then you need to blend these. Where's the keyboard? I don't know, where is it? I don't know where is the keyboard thing, so I'm gonna do it by myself to find where's the keyboard. Oh, here is it. I found it. Then you need to blend the country ball. Yeah, you blend them. Now you finish blending. Put off and add some milk. Don't worry if you spill it. So let's add the milk. Yeah, add the milk. That's not enough milk. Why do I keep spilling it? Oh, that's the truth of milk. Okay, now you need to put the milk. Yeah, then you need to put the tape again. And then you need to blend them. Now the poor country balls turned into milkshakes. So you're gonna put this water in here, and we're gonna go testing. It's so yummy. Yeah, country ball milkshakes are so yummy. You should try them. Yeah, they're so yummy. Plus, thank you for the video. So see you later with the next episode. Bye, boys.